morning, Miss Gold. Thank you for joining us today.
Good morning, Miss Sarah. Thank you for having me.
I would first like to greet you a very happy Nurses Week for 2025. And today we will be sharing a lot about nurses. So this year's theme says, caring for nurses strengthens economies. What does that actually mean for you?
For me, as a nurse, we play a pivotal role in improving the economic status of our country.
Can you elaborate a little bit about that?
Yeah. In my country, which is the Philippines, we are among the top supplier of nurses abroad. And as an international nurse working here in Saudi Arabia, the financial support that I am providing is a big help, not only for my family, but also for my country's economy.
That's true. How many years have you been a nurse?
I've been a nurse for 15 years now, ma'am.
Okay, so we are so used to the term nurses are the ones who care for people and nurses are the ones who care for patients. What would be caring for nurses mean, or what would make you feel that you are being cared for?
For me, as a nurse, I feel like I'm well taken care of by an institution. Number one is if I am well compensated, if I am well appreciated, and also if I am working in a healthy environment. You know, for us nurses, if we feel like we are supported and valued, we are more likely to stay in our positions longer.
True. So you think that a nurse is a part of patient experience?
Yeah, we are part of patient experience.
So if you would elaborate a little bit more on how much you take care of communities, I mean, can you tell us a little bit more of what you mean when you say nurses take care of the communities and they strengthen community? What's your role in public health?
You know, our role in public health, we help to improve and to prevent the spread of diseases. If we will be able to do that, we will create a healthy population. And also, by doing that, we will have a fewer sick leave, which will produce a healthy worker.
What is the ideal saying and seeing that the nurses are taking a big role in taking care of patients and the public and the health status of everybody in the community? There's a part that's very important. Do you agree that patient experience is a very important factor when you care for patients?
Yes, definitely. It's really it has a very big impact. Nurses has a very big impact in patient experience.
What would be the ideal personality or features that a nurse should have or practice to ensure that she gives good patient experience to a human? What would it be?
For me, the best way to provide patient's experience to a patient is first to provide empathy and compassion.
Great. So if I would say empathy, can you give us an example of what do you mean by empathy?
You know, if you have a patient, like if they are in pain post-operatively, even if you are not feeling well as a nurse, as a person, you have to have concern with them. If they are in pain, you have to show that you care about them. Even if you are not feeling well, like for us, we are working in medical surgical unit. We are like the Swiss knife in our area. Like we are juggling with 6 patients. We have 6 call bells, but still we need to provide excellent nursing care to our patients.
That's really nice to hear, Ms. Gold. Now, if I would ask you to give a very strong message or an advice to a fellow nurse, what can you say?
For me, nursing is not just a profession, it's a passion. So if you will become a nurse, you have to be passionate in caring and passionate in giving love and support to your patient.
Thank you, Ms. Gold, and Happy Nurses Week.
Thank you also, Ms. Sarah, and Happy Nurses Week to all the nurses all over the world.